crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing the brand new Love From Lizi card kit for the month of May called For Him. And it has so many items that are perfect for making those masculine cards. So let's go ahead and take a look at everything that's included with the For Him May card kit. We first have 5 sheets of 8.5 by 11 American letter cardstock. So this first one we have here is craft. Then we have a sheet of white, which is alcohol marker friendly. We have a sheet of navy, chocolate, and sky blue. This is really cool. So this is a sheet of A5 self-adhesive velvet. Can you see that? Velvet in chocolate brown. So that's really neat. And then we have a sheet of peel-offs. So I love the Love From Lizi peel-offs. These are the mini circles in brown, and this is brand new. Then we have approximately 25 centimeters of faux brown leather. So I can't wait to come up with an idea to use this leather. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I'm really excited to come up with something. Now let's take a look at the paper. So this is the For Him pattern paper. We received 12 sheets of 6 by 6 single-sided paper. So you can see here we've got some patterns, some bow ties, some circles, some stars. We've got some balloons here. Here's some smaller bow ties. I love this mosaic pattern, and these colors just are amazing for all those masculine cards. So you can think Father's Day and maybe just birthdays or just so many things. I'm just really excited for this kit. This is 2 sheets of 6 by 6 gold foiled pattern paper. So can you see the gold in these 2 sheets? So that's in addition to the pattern paper. You received those. Now let's take a look at the For Him ephemera. So one of my favorite things about the Love From Lizi card kits is they are packed with so much ephemera. So there's lots and lots of goodies for you to place on your cards. So I haven't opened this yet, so I'm really excited to open it with you. Usually I take a peek at everything, but I waited. So here is a bottle, it looks like a whiskey, and then we've got a cupcake, we've got a present or a package here. We've got a hand holding a present. Oh, here's a watch. My boyfriend Dale loves watches, so I'm definitely going to use that on a card for him. Some more cupcakes. We've got a hand holding a present. That's really unique. And then let's see what else we've got here. These are balloons. I have this upside down. Let me turn it around. So you just need to add a string to that. So there's some balloons. We've got some more presents. We've got a trophy here. That's really neat. Some cake. Oh, that cake looks delicious. There's a chair. And we have a bouquet of balloons. Ooh, these are really neat. These shoes. We've got a shirt. And some more cake. There's another bottle. And a bow tie. We've got a regular tie. Have some more hands holding the present. We've got a ball cap, presents, some readers or some glasses. Oh, this is really neat. This is a cigar, so that's cool. Some more presents, some cake. Looks like a bow tie, a vest, some more glasses. We've got another present. And then let's see what else we have here. Oh, this is really neat. So this is like a place setting. And another hat, some cake, another watch, yay, another cigar, another setting, place setting, another hat, and we've got another ball cap and a present. So lots and lots of great ephemera to add to your cards. Now let's take a look at the small embellishment bag. In this, we also have a stamp set. So this stamp set's really neat. So it says time. So you can say, Hope you have the best time ever. Time is fleeting. Make the most. Time flies when you're having fun. We had the best time of your life. This is your time. Great times. Time with you is a gift. We've got thanks, thank you. We've got the pocket watch, and then we've got the jar, or not the jar, the cup glass, glass with ice in it. And then in the small bag here, we've got a piece of this chocolate glitter cardstock, and included in here is a clock die. So let me see if I can take this out just to show you the clock die. So this is really neat. It's a clock, and then also are the dies in here for the hands. So you can have it say whatever time you want with those. So you can point it to whatever time. So that's really nice. Okay, this bag has so many really neat like ribbons. So this is cool. This is blue wire. Then we received 2 different organza ribbons in blue and in gray. There's also a faux suede leather cord. So those are really neat. We have, let's see here, some little like geo-shaped stickers and some tiger eye gems, some blue and brown beads. We've got a whole roll of washi tape. And then look at this sequin mix. So this is the For Him sequin mix bag. Just look how well all of these colors, everything coordinates. And this is neat. We've got 2 blue metal dog tags. I just love this kit. And then here's some geo gold shaped stickers. So this is a look at everything that's included in the card kit. Now there are add-ons as well. So let me pull out the add-ons to show you the different add-ons. So this is the For Him specialty cardstock bundle. There's 6 sheets in here, and we've got the glitter in the sea blue and the sky blue. We've got black, warm gold, and mirror in gold, and in sky blue. So really, really pretty. Another add-on is the For Him pinstripe bundle. Now the pinstripe bundle is my favorite add-on. We've got denim blue mirror, soft peach, brown with gold finish, and blue mirror. And then this is the For Him variety peel-off bundle. Let me open this one up so you can take a look at it. Now I do want to mention that I will have links to the For Him card kit and all of the add-ons, and I do appreciate when you shop my links, as I receive a small commission at no extra charge to you. So here we've got the mini stars and the blueberry blue, straight gold matte, mini twinkle turquoise, and then I hope you can see this one. This is the star border in the white. So that's really, really pretty. Now I've got a couple other add-ons that I wanted to show you, and I went ahead and die cut this one out. So this is the die, and it says, "There's no one in the world quite like you." So it's a big die, and I went ahead and cut this out of some gold mirror cardstock that came in last month's kit, and I think that's so, so pretty. Another item I have here is an embossing folder. Let me put this back away so then I can show you. This is an embossing folder, and it's also available on the website, so I'll leave it linked down below as well. Leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite item is that was included in the card kit, or maybe your favorite are the add-ons. Just leave me a comment and let me know. If you don't already follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, I would love for you to follow me on those platforms as well. Give me a thumbs up on this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.